Hey gang, so here are the answers to yesterday's assignment. Worksheet 12-5 was finding unit prices. So in number one, you took $1.89 divided by 3 muffins and you got 63 cents. Number two, $1.85 for a 5-pound bag of rice. So a 185 divided by 5, 37 cents per pound. 3, $2.40 per pound to buy chewy worms, price per ounce. So we divided by 16. You know why? Because there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So you get 15 cents an ounce. Okay, number 4, 5. You had to do some rounding because the answers, and I'll show you this. Okay, so you had to buy 6 bagels for $2.11. Price per bagel, you do 211 divided by 6. Your answer would be 0.3516666, repeating decimal. Well, I'm going to round it to the nearest cent. I'm going to round this 5. Well, the 1's going to tell the 5 to stay 35 cents. So, and that's what stores do. When the cash registers, they round it to the nearest cent. So that's something new. Number 5, a 2-pound bag of frozen corn is $2.03. Price per pound, 203 divided by 2, and you get 1.015. So this 5 is going to tell this 1 to round up to 2 cents. So your answer is $1.02. Okay, again, if I'm going too fast, just pause if you need to. Okay, your comparison, you have 2 different sizes of yogurt. So you have an 8-ounce cup for 72 cents and a 6-ounce cup for 60 cents. So you take 72 divided by 8 ounces and you get 9 cents per pound, or 60 cents for a 6-ounce cup and you get 10 cents per ounce. So by 1 ounce, this is the better deal. Not a huge savings, but if you're buying lots of them, it'll save. Now, number 7, if you made up your own, that's awesome. I will look at that. If you didn't, I'm not going to make a big deal. All right, the next one was, which is the better buy? So I just typed in the answers here real quick. So 12-ounce bottle of sports drink costs 75 cents. 6-pack of 12-ounce is $3.60. So you'd take 75 cents divided by 12, and you get 6 cents an ounce, a 6-pack of 12-ounce. You know what? I'm not sure about that one. 6-pack of 12-ounce drink. 360 divided by, you know what? I think I did divided by 12 is 30 cents. So I put the arrow here. That one I'm not sure about because I'm not sure if we would have to divide 6-pack 360 divided by 6 and then divided by 12. You know what? That's a question mark there. Okay, number 2. Anybody else have that question here? 1 pencil is 55 cents. If you buy a box of 12, it's $4.50. So this one's already at a unit price. That's 1 pencil. You do $4.50 divided by 12 and you get 38 cents per pencil. So buying this is a pretty good savings, almost 20 cents a pencil. Okay, number 3, a cup of yogurt is 75 cents. But if you buy a 4-pack, it's $3.50. This is already a unit price. Do $3.50 divided by 4 and you get 88 cents. So in this case, this is the cheaper one by 13 cents. That's pretty good savings. Okay, 1 can of soda is 60 cents. A 12-pack is $4.99. So $4.99 divided by 12, you get 42 cents. And for that, a 24-pack is $8.38. So $8.38 divided by 24, you get 35 cents. So if you buy this 12-pack, you're saving money. And many times that's the case. Not always, but many times. So this is the better deal to buy the 12-pack. Okay, number 5, I threw this one in there, just had to do it. A 4-pack of toilet paper is $3.79. So $3.79 divided by 4, 95 cents a roll. 12-pack is $12.12. So $12.12 divided by 12 rolls, you get $1.01 per roll. A 24-pack, which a lot of people have been doing, is $23.78 divided by 24 rolls, you get 99 cents a roll. So the 4-pack in this case is the better deal by 4 cents, but if you just would rather buy the whole pack, you're saving 4 cents a roll, which it adds up. But so there you go. Let's go back to this one. If you do 360 divided by 6, you're going to get 60 cents per drink, then divided by 12, and you're going to get 5 cents. This is the better one. So actually, this is your better buy by 1 cent. Yeah. Sorry about that. I didn't look at that one close enough. Okay, any questions? Let me know. Hope you did well.